timeless beauty and classic architecture. A huge, nearly half an acre lot designed for grand scale living. And a premier location that offers incredible privacy. That's just the beginning of what you'll love about my latest listing in South Pasadena's exclusive Camden Court Estate neighborhood. Hi, this is Eva Lin, #1 realtor for Pasadena Homes Sold in 2021 and 2022. 1629 Camden Parkway is a gorgeous, historic home that embraces the past while offering an incredible backdrop for modern luxury living. Here, you'll find the perfect opportunity to remodel and create your dream home amongst other character-rich residences in this private community. I'm so excited to give you a tour, so follow me and find out all the possibilities that make this home so special. Welcome to 1629 Camden Parkway. Come on in. As soon as you step inside, you can see the bright, open layout filled with natural light. The home emanates warmth and grace, which is on full display in the formal living room with its handsome fireplace and ample footprint. Stepping into the dining room, we're treated to an incredible indoor-outdoor flow. Large windows look out to the side yard, making this such a cheerful place to enjoy meals with loved ones. In this kitchen, you have plenty of space to reimagine to your heart's desire. And you're sure to create a dream kitchen here. You'll love the gorgeous views out to the expensive backyard, and there's a breakfast room perfect for finishing homework while having a quick meal before heading off to school. What's more, a large laundry room offers great possibilities for reconfiguration. The main level also includes this inviting family room to the right of the entry. This is such a cozy space with a view out to the beautiful neighborhood. Completing the main level, further down the hall, you'll find a 3/4 bath along with a generously sized bedroom, perfect for guests. Now let's head upstairs to check out the home's 3 additional bedrooms. Each bedroom is vibrant, filled with natural light and spacious. What's more, there's plenty of closet and storage space. You'll also find a full-sized whole bath with its own soaking tub and a half bath right next to an office space. You could reconfigure the space so you'll have a second full bath upstairs for added convenience and comfort. The home's backyard is so lush and expansive, it feels like you have your own private park. Surrounded by mature trees, the possibilities back here will make your heart soar. Add a pool, outdoor kitchen, ADU, or all of the above, and you still have a ton of room for play and entertaining. Finding this much flat, usable land surrounded by nature's beauty is such a special and rare opportunity. So that was 1629 Camden Parkway, a character-rich home in an exclusive, picturesque neighborhood. This is the chance you've been waiting for to bring the vision of your dream house to life and enjoy your own happily ever after. I invite you to reach out to me for a private tour while there's still time. You can call me at 626-807-6581 or find me at linrealtygroup.com. Thank you so much.